Hello guys, welcome back again. Yeah, so last interview we had someone else, and right now we have here, a handsome boy here. He's wearing good. Okay, you can zoom the outfit, bro. I like him so much, and I like the work that he do. He always support the girls here outside. So kindly tell them, your name.
My name is OG, Papa Legend.
Okay, the outside, put the what is the real name of the Papa OG legend, Okay, if it's allowed or if it's private for you, can tell us kindly.
People knows me by Papa Legend, and I think that's enough.
Okay, thank you, Papa Legend. Okay, the first question. Okay, if it's allowed, okay, are you married?
Let me just decide to not say.
Okay, if it's something private, okay, you cannot say, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the other question is, okay, do you think the selection of Miss Mulenge being Kenya is good for you or not?
It's a good project, and I think everybody likes it.
Okay. And why only in Kenya? Because Rwanda, Tanzania, Uganda, Congo, there's Abanyamulenge there. Why only in Kenya? Is only Kenya have beautiful girls?
This is Miss Mulenge World, and everybody is allowed to come to to Kenya, because Kenya is is one of the peaceful country,
yeah.
And also in Congo, where we came from, it's not safe, That's why we do this here, and once Congo got peace, we will do our project there, and we even did we even tried to do it by
due to insecurity in Congo.
Yes. There is some people that they call chief, our chef.
Yeah.
But Congo, Congo, they say that it's not safe to do any single project there until peace is restored. That's when we will take our projects there. But for now, I think Kenya is best country. Yeah.
Okay, as you can hear, because many people outside, they're like, why only in Kenya? So the main zone there is like Congo, this insecurity fighting, even right now, like it is true, like kuna vita, but in Kenya it's a peaceful country, and here the president is good, kind kabisa. So Papa Oji, the advice that will give the girls there outside, because I can see, I can say, see wasichana wengi sana, like they have joined, like, which advice can you give the outside there, the girls there?
All right. What we do is to empower girls, to know their worth, to know that they can do even better than what guys do. So you guys just show up, man. You can, man. You can, and you can do even more. So within you give there is nobody else who is going to do it for them. So nabwira gusa nuko bamenya ko nabashoboye kandi nabo ari abantu nk'abandi. So rero bajye bitabira ibikorwa dukora, kuko ni ibikorwa bigamije guteza imbere umwana w'umukobwa w'umunyamulenge, kandi ndatekereza ko abenshi babikoze bamaze kubaka ama platform akomeye cyane, harimo nk'aba Miss Theodora, ubu ngubu urabona ko afite channel, kandi channel irimo irarebwa cyane, yajya akora ibintu bigiye bitandukanye. So rero n'abandi bitinyuke kandi bamenye ko bashoboye.
So the girls there outside, kindly just feel free, having confidence, by the way, it's so good. So you are welcome here and come to join, and I think this is the last thing that you're doing here, of selection.
This is the last selection that we are doing. Tomorrow is semi-final, and then on Friday is final. We have a lot of things to do here. We have our project that is including helping widows and orphans, whereby we are going to be sharing food, Christmas and New Year Eve, and also we have we did some soccer tournament shit. So people like what we do, man.
Well, I'm among the one that I like, as in your work. You're so kind, you're so humble, you're so good, Papa Legend. I like you so much. Tena sana.
No problem. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much for having you in our interview. Okay, the last question. Sibjo. So, okay, Miss Mlenge, okay, in case she wins, then how much is the money that will give her?
It's $2,000. That's like 200,000 and also a monthly salary for a whole year. So, Azaza Hembwa Buri Kwezi kugeza
Pardon?
Yes, Azaza Hembwa amafaranga ya buri kwezi n'ubundi na $100 twarayamuhaga every single month. So,
I must join, per month. I must join.
Ibihumbi 200 ndetse n'umushahara wa buri kwezi mu gihe cy'umwaka cyangwa se mu gihe tuzabona undi munsi.
I must join. What is the recommendation? Because I want to join this thing. 20,000.
You just have to believe in yourself, man. You just have to know who you are. You just have to know that you can.
I can.
Yeah. All right, thank you, man. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys, and continue watching our channel, guys.
Jasau kama unataka kuvaa vizuri, kuvaa smart, just
definitely,
go
ALINE Fashion Design.
Yes, ukitaka kuvaa smart, whether unaenda party, church, any sherehe, go to ALINE Fashion. Tutaweka namba yake hapa chini, ama mnaenda IG mfollow ALINE Fashion at our by the way, na Miss Mlenge wenye mnaenda mnavaa matoja hapana. And then kwa ALINE Fashion
we don't like that by the way. Hey, behave, bro. Yeah.
And then kwa ALINE Fashion mpate nguo smart zenye ziko decent. So guys, we love you so much. Acha tuone what happen here inside. Yes. Ciao.